Hello and welcome back. Today I really want to show you how to apply red lipstick, which is really long wearing, and I'm highly aware that this is not the best period to wear red lipsticks, wear very long wearing lipsticks, because we basically we go nowhere. We are staying inside our houses, doing groceries, maybe go on the coffee, and that's all. But I'm really sad when I hear some women that they're like talking, the red lipstick doesn't suit me, I don't know how to apply it, it smudges, I don't know which shade to choose. And I deeply believe that red lipstick suits every woman, but you have to find right shade, right undertone for your skin tone and your liking, actually. And I want to show a few tips and tricks on how to apply long wearing red lipstick. So to prep your lips for red lipstick, you have to exfoliate your lips if you have some dry skin, and you don't need special product for that. You can just mix honey and sugar, or honey or polenta, and just rub it in circular motions on your lips. Do it maybe twice to remove it very nicely, and you are good to go. Apply lip balm and your lips are prepped for red lipstick. So you have few options on how to apply it. You can just tap it with your finger for that stain, that it's not very powerful, it's just basically a stain. You can apply it only lipstick, like full on color. You can add your liner, and for the most precise application, when you are feeling like artist, you can use your just lip brush. So let's start. I'm using today Lisa Eldridge Velvet Ribbon. So this is that classic red lipstick with blue undertone. Start by tapping, and this is highly pigmented red lipstick. So now I'm creating stain. And really massage it into your lips, make it almost like part of your lips, because more layers you apply, lipstick will be more long wearing, because as you are eating, as you are drinking, layer by layer removes. And if you apply just one layer and you are good to go, it is more lipstick will just go away, because you don't have layers. And now when I applied that first layer, I will do my lining. And also I learned this from Lisa Eldridge, that it is better to line your lips in between, because as you can see, I don't have any shape, and when I apply lipstick I still have shape, but now it is easier to create your shape when you just have just a bit of your lipstick on your lips, and you can see color, you can see where do you want this to go, but you are now very easily, not easily, but not fast where you are creating your shape. And I'm using Wet n Wild lip liner. This one I really like. It is not dry, it is creamy and suits nicely with this color. And also use your pinky to just be more precise. Don't care about coverage. You can add here concealer, but now you have more control. If you apply like this, you are more likely to budge. Just rest your finger here and apply. So don't swipe, just swipe and you are done. Massage it in your lips, do small motions, small strokes, because if you are doing this, it's more likely that you will end up with not the shape that you wanted. And for example, I like more pronounced this, like V, Cupid's bow. I like when it is more like pronounced, when it's not blended or And also, if you want your lips red to not be very statement, you can always blend the edges, but I like really sharp edges. And now for lower lip, which my lower lip is a bit uneven, smile and then line. And now you have your shape, your desired shape. Now I'm starting layering lipstick. So this is second layer. And this is a right time if you are a bit unsure about your skills, you can now use your liner to not overline with your lipstick or ruin your shape actually. And now blot. You are actually removing your lipstick and apply third layer. And of course that I'm aware that this is the waste of your lipstick, but it is worth of your lipstick because it is long wearing. It makes your lipstick long wearing. I think that color and everything is here. And now if you really want to polish it, really make it like you are from 50s and I don't know what, you can apply concealer around, but not apply directly your concealer and then blend, because in that way it's more likely that you will end up with obvious concealer around your lips. I like to apply my concealer on eye blending brush and just polish around my lips. And I applied some concealer under my hand and then dip it and then really push product in your brush. And to be honest with you, I don't do this on a daily basis. I do this when I want it to be really polished, but this on daily basis, it's just too much. But I know that some women, they like to really polish it, but I don't care that much. And also this makes your red really pop, really like be in there. And I think that we are done. This is all. So as I said, blotting applying is the key in this. Be very, have patience with red lipstick until you are very practiced, and it takes your time, but it is really worth of your time, because it is beautiful statement on your face. And I really hope you like it. I really hope it was helpful, and like, dislike, subscribe, comment, and see you in the next one. Bye.